Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're diving into the world of data analytics with a focus on one of the most powerful tools out there, Power BI. Whether you're a data enthusiast, a business professional looking to make data-driven decisions, or simply curious about how to turn data into insights, mastering Power BI can be a game changer. To help you on your journey, I've rounded up some of the best Power BI courses. All these courses are completely online, come with certifications, and can be accessed from anywhere in the world. The links to access the courses will be in the video description, so make sure to check them out. 1. Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. This course is perfect for beginners and those looking to get certified as Power BI data analysts. You'll learn everything from the basics of data visualization and modeling to advanced topics like DAX, data analysis expressions, and data transformations. The course also covers best practices for creating interactive reports and dashboards that provide clear, actionable insights. What makes this course stand out is its comprehensive approach to teaching Power BI. With real-world examples and hands-on labs, you'll gain practical experience working with data, designing reports, and solving business problems. By the end of the course, you'll be well prepared to take the Power BI Data Analyst Certification exam and showcase your skills to potential employers. 2. IBM Data Analyst. While this course covers a broad range of data analysis skills, it includes a dedicated module on Power BI, making it an excellent choice for those who want to become well-rounded data analysts. You'll start by learning the fundamentals of data analytics, including data cleaning, analysis, and visualization. The Power BI module dives deep into creating interactive dashboards, connecting to various data sources, and sharing insights with stakeholders. IBM's course is highly regarded for its focus on practical skills and real-world applications. With plenty of hands-on exercises, you'll build your confidence in using Power BI to analyze data and tell compelling stories through visuals. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid foundation in data analytics and be able to use Power BI effectively in any business context. 3. Google Data Analytics. Although primarily focused on Google's suite of tools, this course also provides valuable insights into data visualization and storytelling, which are highly transferable skills for Power BI users. You'll learn how to analyze data using spreadsheets, SQL, and R programming, and the course emphasizes the importance of visualizing data to drive decisions. While Power BI isn't the main focus, the concepts and skills taught here are easily applicable to Power BI, making it a great complementary course. This course is ideal for those who want a broader understanding of data analytics with a touch of everything, from data cleaning to visualization. By the end of the course, you'll not only have a good grasp of data analysis, but also be able to translate those skills into creating powerful visualizations in Power BI. Before we wrap up, here's a tip that could save you a lot of money. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one individually. How? By acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription, which gives you access to over 7,000 courses by paying just a monthly or annual fee. It's an incredible deal, especially if you're serious about expanding your data analytics skills. The link will be in the video description, so don't miss out on that. So, there you have it. 3 fantastic courses that will help you master Power BI and elevate your data analytics skills. Whether you're looking to get certified, enhance your career prospects, or simply become more data savvy, these courses offer something for everyone. Until next time, knowledge lovers.